Most repair shops focus on getting the first sale. Smart shops focus on what happens after it. That's where mobile marketing changes everything. Mobile marketing is powerful because it connects acquisition and retention in one system. America's Best Shops pairs AI-driven content and local visibility with mobile loyalty and reminders. Their social platform helps shops create and schedule content quickly, auto-post to Google Business Profile, and track calls and direction requests, not just likes. Then, on the retention side, digital wallet rewards and smart reminders help bring customers back for the next oil change, inspection, or service interval. This approach matters because the real profit in repair isn't always the first visit. It's the second, third, and 10th visit. Here's a simple example. A shop posts a brake repair photo through an AI-assisted social workflow. The content builds local trust and drives discovery. Then, new customers who visit are enrolled into a wallet-based loyalty flow. Later, automated reminders bring them back for routine service. The company frames this as turning a low-ticket maintenance customer into a high lifetime value client through strategic engagement and rewards. Don't let your marketing stop at the invoice. Build a mobile marketing engine that attracts, tracks, and retains. The shops that win the next decade will be the ones customers can find, trust, and hear from instantly on their phones.